everyone, welcome to Top Scholars. The world is home to numerous vast countries, each with a diverse range of natural wonders, climates and ecosystems. These geographically diverse and influential nations, ranked by total land area, have significantly shaped global history and continue influencing political, economic and environmental landscapes due to their vast territories, natural resources and strategic locations. In today's video, we are going to know about 5 largest countries of the world. So, let's begin. Can you guess which is the largest country? The world's largest country is Russia. Russia, the world's largest country, covers 1,70,98,242 square kilometers across the northern hemisphere, covering 38% of Asia. The boreal forests, also known as the taiga, are the most extensive forested region in the world, covering over 12 million square kilometers. Russia is the world's largest country, with its capital being Moscow. The Russian ruble is used as its currency. Russia's cultural heritage include literature, arts and architecture, with iconic landmarks like the Kremlin and St. Basil's Cathedral. Russia's geopolitical influence is significant, as it is a permanent member of the United Nations Security Council. Let us know about the next largest country. This is Canada. Canada is the world's second largest country, covering around 99,84,670 square kilometers. Canada, a country with a coastline of over 2 lakh kilometers, bordering 3 oceans: the Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean and the Arctic Ocean. Its capital, the Ottawa, located in southeastern Ontario. Canada is economically rich in oil, natural gas, minerals and fresh water resources. Its currency is Canadian dollars, CAD. The next country is China. China is the world's third largest country, covering around 97,06,961 square kilometers, with its capital being Beijing. China, located in Eastern Asia, is a diverse country with a diverse terrain ranging from high mountains to tropical beaches and expansive plains. The Chinese Himalayas extend 2,400 kilometers along the southwestern border, while the Tibetan Plateau is the world's highest and most expansive plateau. China is known for its diverse landscapes and economic power, including the Tibetan Plateau, the Gobi Desert, the fertile plains of the Yangtze and Yellow River valleys, and mountain ranges like the Himalayas, and the world's second largest economy as the largest exporter of manufactured goods. Now, let us know about the fourth largest country, which is USA. USA has an area of 93,72,610 square kilometers. The United States, consisting of 50 states, is the largest in the world, and its capital is Washington, D.C., Alaska, its largest state, covering 1.7 million square kilometers and is larger than 177 countries and territories. The US began as colonies of Great Britain on the eastern coast of North America, extending its western border from the Appalachian Mountains to the Mississippi River. The United States, with its diverse geography from the east coast to the southwest and Pacific North coast, is known for its art, music, literature, cuisine and festivals. The currency is United States dollar, USD. Major cities like New York City, Los Angeles and Chicago are global centers of finance, entertainment and culture, each with its unique character and influence. The next country is Brazil, the fifth largest country in the world, with 85,14,877 square kilometers, with its capital being Brasilia. Brazil, the largest country in South America, covers over 47% of the continent's total area. It is known for its vibrant cities and natural wonders, including the longest beach, Praia do Cassino Beach. Brazil is also home to some of the world's most impressive natural wonders, such as the Amazon River, Iguacu Falls, and Pantanal Wetland. Brazil is known for its vast landscapes, including the Amazon rainforest. Its currency is the Brazilian real, BRL. Brazil's vibrant, diverse society is influenced by indigenous African, Portuguese, and European cultures, reflected in its music, dance, cuisine, and festivals. Now, let's try to answer some of the questions. Question 1. What is the land area of China? Question 2. Which ocean surrounds Canada? Question 3. What is Brazil known for? Question 4. Which are the major cities of the USA? Question 5. Name some cultural heritage sites in Russia. With this, we come to the end of this topic. We hope you learned something new and interesting.